We have another work order here. And with this one, we're going to use a different dispatch action. We've used that dispatch action such as assign employee, close with time, and change status. On this one, we're going to close this work order with parts and time. This is a multi-level dispatch action, so there's one extra area with some of the older areas combined. Again, we'll mark the employee, the closing comments, the date. This one's already filled in. We can say this took us 1.5 hours. If we'd like, we can add a second employee. And that allows us to both close the work order and post some time to it. In this item 1 category, we can actually post materials to the work order using the same dispatch action. Here, we'll post 5 belts to this work order. Again, we have some of the same questions down below. Is this a customer damage issue? No. And we'll say that this one was a planned downtime of 1.5 hours. Doing all of this in a single dispatch action can save a lot of time for the employee when they're closing out work orders. So now we will post the time, add materials, and again, we see another error here. Cannot close the work order with the unperformed required inspections. Let's take a look at those inspections, and we can decide to either make them not required or perform the inspections themselves. Here, we'll perform the inspection. I've selected within specification in order to save time for this dispatch action. The results are saved, and it should return us back to the details of the work order. And we see that the inspection has been performed. So again, close with parts and time. Completed work, 1.5 hours. We used belt on it, and we used 5 of them. Oops. We'll say no. Planned downtime of 1.5 hours. Hit submit. And now that we can see that the work order was closed properly, the status will change from assigned to closed yet again. And let's actually review. We see that our materials were posted to it, and our time was posted to it as well. And that is how we can use dispatch actions to take care of lots of our work and make things a little more efficient.